I can't eat those because I won't be able to leave.
They're just seeds.
Okay, I'll eat them. After she ate the seeds, Demeter arrived.
Persephone, I missed you so much.
Me too!
She has eaten the food of the underworld. She must stay with me for 3 months in a year.
So for 3 months, Demeter will weep and cry for her beloved Persephone will not be with her. This is the story of winter. Juliana as Persephone. Andre as Hades. Christina as Demeter.